Okay.
Good start, yeah.
No, what do we do? What do we say?
I don't know.
Hey, you guys. So this will be our first YouTube video, right, babe?
Uh-huh.
So my name is Haiti.
Well, nice to meet you, Haiti. My name is Eder.
Well, we're on our way to Vegas, so we're gonna party it up. Hell no.
You can edit all this, right? And
I'll
just
try.
take it out.
I'll try.
Alright, cool.
Babe, say something.
Something.
Anyway, so I'm getting ready right now on our way. We have like 2 more hours.
Babe, I feel like you should introduce yourself. Like, oh, my name is Haiti, but I've lived most of my... We're in the Sacramento area and all that. Mi esposa es de México, bien guapetón. Solo y sin compromiso.
Oh my god, what the hell, babe? Hell no. Anyways, so I'm doing my makeup with the Beauty Bird palette.
She loves Beauty Bird.
Huh?
You love Beauty Bird.
I do.
That's like your number one. If it's Beauty Bird or Eder, it's Beauty Bird.
Hell yeah. Anyways, so yeah, we're on our way to Vegas right now. We're in the middle of nowhere. Oh my god, se ve toda la papada. But anyways, so we're on our way to Vegas. I would probably said that como 10 veces, but it's okay. Y estamos like in the middle of nowhere, so yeah. I'm semi-excited. It's our like second time going, right, babe?
Yeah.
The first time was... Yep, let's not talk about that. Anyways, yeah, so...
Hola quesadilla.
This
Como ese
guy...
queso, like, cuando like, está muy quemado, like, you know what I mean?
Oh, yeah.
Like, huele medio a patas, ¿no?
My shoes are puestos on. Puestos on.
Puestos on. Oh.
But anyways, yeah, so... We wanted to make this YouTube little channel with you guys and see how it goes.
Too much technology for me.
Hey guys, so we're like 40 minutes away from that?
Yep.
Do you talk, babe? Come on.
We're in Nevada, bruh. yeah.
So I just
That's
did my
okay.
makeup. As you can tell, I need to blend this or something because look at that. Anyway, so yeah, I just did my makeup. I just need to do my hair. Got todo messed up. Pero pues ya me lo llegamos.
We look cute though.
Especially not him.
Babe, what are we planning to do here?
Get fucked up. Not just kidding.
Oh, shit. Watch out.
Nah. I think we just want to like look around and explore. Because last time que fuimos, like no habíamos hecho. We tried to do everything at like once, and that didn't work out. Like, del día siguiente cuando tuvimos que manejar de regreso, like it was just all bad. Pero yeah, we just want to like walk around and explore things around, ¿verdad?
Yeah, try new things.
Yeah.
Yeah, last time yo me estaba quedando dormido and we almost crashed. If it wasn't for this girl, we would have died.
That is true, but that was just like el domingo cuando ya estábamos bien cansadotes, like habíamos, nos dormimos como casi las 5 de la mañana, and we woke up hecka early for no dang reason, y estuvimos despiertos, y luego pues se nos calentó el carro, and like hella things, so yeah, pero this time around we're like, okay, no, we need to have like an extra day, because we for sure know that we're gonna be so tired on Sunday, that might as well relax and just explore and everything. Y ya el lunes de la mañana, like at a decent time, we're good to go. En vez de last time.
Yeah. Babe, so this channel is what, like, supposed to be like about beauty and our life or what?
Well, not necessarily beauty, like more como vlogs contigo. Y more like Q's and A's. Okay. Q&A's. Q&A questions. Q&A questions. Pendeja.
Questions and answers.
No.
I just learned that.
Babe, everybody knows that.
I didn't.
Well, obviously not you. Oh, no, look, babe, that's cool.
The camera's not gonna get it.
Yeah, pero yeah, so like Q's and A's, and maybe some pranks here and there.
I'm down.
Yeah.
Yeah, pero like show them like what you did with your makeup and all that.
Well, I'm driving right now, pero me lo hice manejando.
Wait, no, don't close eyes. Just kidding.
I just need to put on my lipstick, do my hair, and then I'll be good.
Yep. No, I'm good.
Pues acaba de cortar el pelo, por eso.
Yeah,
That's
yesterday.
it.
Takes me 4 months to cut my hair.
Was it that long?
Yeah, it's been a minute.
I always forget. So we just got to the hotel. It's kind of dark. Let's see if I... okay. So this is like the little mini kitchen with the little table. And then our stuff is right here. We just got here literally. And this is like a little sala. Escritorio. And then we got the pool view. There's people over there, but that actually reminds me of like Mickey Mouse or something. What the heck? I wish we can go in later. Aunque sea el domingo en la mañana. Y luego, so this is the sala. That's the bed. I just me acosté. Pero, yeah. Like this is el otro lado. Oh! So, the people that are next to us agarraron el balcony view. Yeah. That's it. Nuestro baño. We got some good lighting. Yeah. I'm gonna ignore this. This doesn't wanna heal, but so yeah, this is me. And I'm me over here. Sorry. I'm like that. But anyways. And then oh my god. Oh my god. You didn't even see anything, babe. Si lo hubieran olido, pobrecitos. Les dan un ataque. But anyway, so yeah. No. So me voy a arreglar el pelo. Está todo like. Falta arreglada. Entonces, yeah, yo creo que nomás me lo voy a lasear. I have no idea what I'm gonna put on. But Eder was saying that you guys wanted to see my makeup, so this is it. Something really simple, a lot of like browns and stuff, so you guys are super close and personal, but yeah. So yeah, so this is like my makeup right now. I just need to put on my lipstick. And then we'll be all set to go. What are we gonna do today, babe?